well. This is Adamazi TV, live in Ezimo Waterfall. So undoubtedly, uniqueness is found in anything called nature. And you will believe with me that when you talk about nature, you include the mountains, you include the soil, you include the trees, you include the cave, and you include everything that makes it beautiful. The birds, the clouds, undoubtedly, of course. Hello people, my name is Nzuka Treasure, and I'm here with Adamazi TV with Ebuking tour here in Ezimo Waterfall, Nzuka, Enugu State, Nigeria. As we go in and look at people that came here on a tour, I hope you enjoy with us too. Peace out. Hello beautiful, what's your name?
I'm Sunshine.
Hello Sunshine. So what do you think of Ezimo Waterfall?
It's a beautiful place to be. Yeah, I'm enjoying it so far. Like I love what I'm seeing actually.
Awesome. Is this your first time here?
Yeah, sure, my first time.
Wonderful. So what do you think is your expectation? Because you've not even started, you've not seen the wonderful part of it, right?
Yeah, I'm expecting something more like a cave, although I'm seeing it from the entrance. I'm still looking out to see the main waterfall. Like I'm here to just have fun. I love what I'm seeing actually.
Thank you, Sunshine. All right, guys, let's see if Sunshine will actually be glad at her expectations at the end. All right, guys, I have with me a beautiful lady. Please, may I know you?
Linda.
Okay, Linda, is this your first time coming to Ezimo Waterfall?
Yes, this is my first time of coming here.
Awesome. So what can you tell of Ezimo Waterfall?
This is beautiful. I never imagined that a place could be this beautiful. I'm happy coming here. I'm happy.
Okay, so you haven't seen the full part of the whole thing, right? You've not seen the details. So that's a later on thing. All right, what do you think is your expectation?
From the view, from what I'm seeing here, I know I'm expecting it to be very fun, very beautiful, and I know my expectations will not be shattered.
I don't know if we should say hallelujah to this, but anyways, let's hope that Linda's expectation doesn't get crushed.
I want to have a feel of nature.
Awesome, guys, and we are going to say the full details. Let's go have a feel of nature. Come with us. Can we know your name?
I'm Netu, Ajiro Netu.
You already look like you're into the waterfall from your head, I can tell that.
Yeah, I stepped in there, it was fun though.
So what do you think of Ezimo Waterfall? Is it what you are expecting of it?
Well, for now I can't give you an answer, maybe after I'm done. You see I'm going in now.
Okay, just give me in a nutshell, what are you expecting?
Fun, like I'm expecting to have a full blast of fun now.
Alright guys, let's hope he has a lot of fun like he said. Thank you very much. Alright guys, I can tell you're already having fun. Okay, so I have three beautiful ladies here with me. What are your expectations?
Amazing, like I've not seen here before. So I like it.
Awesome guys, let's go.
Alright, thank you.
Okay guys, I have someone beautiful. Oh, if I use beautiful, it will look like a feminine, but yes, that's what it looks like because it's super cute here. Alright dude, what's your name?
Stone.
Okay Stone, what's your expectation here?
It's amazing. Like, it's nice.
I can tell you're already into it, you're already in the feelings, right? In a nutshell, tell me what it is like being there.
Just having fun, like vibe with the experience, nothing more.
Do you feel like jumping from the waterfall down there?
No, it's not that deep, so I won't take that risk, yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Alright.
Guys, welcome to Ezimo Waterfall. This is what it said, nature is beautiful. As you can see, this is the water plattering down from the mountain, from the cave per se. And it is awesome. It is beautiful. It is unique. It is wonderful, amazing. I hope you're having fun with us because I am having loads of fun right here. nature, as beautiful it is, came along with a full package. That's beautiful people also. So here with me, I have a handsome dude. Can we know your name, please?
Prosper.
Oh, Prosper. I can tell you're already in the feelings, right?
Yeah. It's actually my first time being here.
Awesome.
I'm actually feeling the whole vibe. I've been told about this place for a long time, but I've been reluctant to come here, but I'm really glad I came here today.
He is really glad he came here today, so it simply means your expectation wasn't cut short.
Yeah, no, it was not cut short. It's actually beyond what I expected. I'm happy to be here today.
So if there are couples out there watching us, or maybe someone watching us, what do you think you would tell this person about here?
Yeah, I will tell them to try and visit this place. You know, most people have this idea that Enugu is a very boring place, somewhere you just relax and just, do your thing, raise kids. But Enugu is way beyond that. Enugu is quite enjoyable. Enugu is a very fun place to be in.
When you're president Enugu, are you from Enugu State?
Yeah, I'm from Enugu State, actually. I'm from Enugu State. But apart from that, that's not the point. Enugu specifically is a very enjoyable place. You can have fun. As you can see, we're having here. You can have fun as much as you want in Enugu State.
Thank you very much for coming along. I appreciate that. Okay, so far it's been fun, guys. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm here with another beautiful creature nature brought along here with us. Can I know you please?
I'm Mr. Shankar.
Mr. what?
Shankar.
Oh, that sounds like a natural name anyway. Okay, so is this your first time coming here?
Yeah. This is my first time.
Beautiful. Is this what it is for you? Like what you were expecting from the Ezimo Waterfall, the hyping? Was it worth it?
You said?
The hype, was it worth it?
Yeah. I think it's worth it. It was a long journey actually, but I love the environment. The natural beauty is very, very amazing. You all need to be here one time in your lifetime.
Right. Thank you, Mr. Shank, for showing up. All right, guys, it is going to be fun, as you can see. Come along. Can I know your name, please?
Morgan.
Morgan, man.
My name is Mr. Fresh.
Mr. Fresh. Anyways, you're fresh and not ready. Okay, is this your first time here?
Yes, that is my first time. Yeah.
First time?
Yeah.
Wonderful. What would you think of Ezimo Waterfall?
What?
What do you think of Ezimo Waterfall?
Amazing. I must say I'm enjoying myself here. I love it like mad. I swear. Yeah.
Incredible, guys. Yeah. So, are you single, searching, complicated, engaged, or married?
Single and searching. Definitely single, not searching, nigga. Single, not searching.
Wonderful.
Exactly.
There is a whole lot of nature-produced humans around.
I know, but I have to take my time. Yeah. I have to take my time.
Fine. I hope you're not going to take enough time anyway.
Not so enough, but I have to observe before I take my shots.
Okay, guys, if you have to rate it 1 to 10, what would you rate it? If you have to rate this waterfall 1 to 10, what would be the number?
I will personally give it 11. I will try it to pass 10. 60.
I said 10, you said 60, and you said 11.
I'll give it 11.
Wonderful. All right, guys, I just want you guys to scream.
I'm single. I'm saying about that. You are not searching.
I want you guys to do something for me. Just scream, we are having a feel of nature out loud, all right? Can we do this?
Come again.
We are having a feel of nature.
Okay.
Can we do this?
All right.
On the count of 1, 2, 3, go!
Nature is beautiful.